Consider the number 2000. 2000 could be written as 2 multiplied by 1000. Using our knowledge of indices and seeing that there are 3 zeros here, this is 2 times 10 to the power 3. This is a number in standard form. Now consider 0.0002. This could be written as 2 times 0.0001. Using our knowledge of indices, we can write this as 10 to the power minus 4. This also is a number in standard form. So 2000, which is a number that's more than 1, is written in standard form with an index which is positive. And 0.0002, a number which is very much less than 1, is written in standard form with an index which is negative. I always use this method to decide whether indices should be positive or negative. If the original number is larger than 1, we have a positive index. If the original number is less than 1, we have a negative index. So let's consider exactly what's meant by standard form. A number in standard form is of the form a times 10 to the power n. The a is a number which is between 1 with 1 included and 10 with 10 not included. For example, 9.99 would be okay. The point is that any number like this would have just one non-zero digit in front of the decimal point. So any number between 1 and 10, not including 10, has one digit which is not a 0 in front of the decimal point. The n, the power on the 10, has to be an integer, a whole number. If we consider 2.3 times 10 to the power 3, this is a number in standard form. We just have one non-zero digit in front of the point, and the power is a whole number. If we considered 0.23 times 10 to the power 3, this is not in standard form, since the digit in front of the decimal point is not non-zero. If we had 23.1 times 10 to the power 3, we have two digits in front of the decimal point, so this is not in standard form. If we have 2.3 times 10 to the power 3.1, this is not in standard form, since the power is not a whole number. The only thing that remains is to discuss why we would use standard form. Standard form is very useful when dealing with very large numbers, for example with astronomical distances, or with very small numbers such as distances involved inside an atom.